Hello there guys and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we are making a cheesecake brownie, which basically is a brownie with cheesecake cream on top. So let's get started. First we will start with the brownie. In a saucepan we will add 125 grams of butter and 170 grams of chocolate, and we will whisk until the chocolate is completely melted. Then we will remove it from the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Transfer the melted chocolate into a mixer bowl, then we will add 130 grams of brown sugar and mix until all the sugar is dissolved. Then we will add 3 eggs. We will dust 100 grams of flour in order to avoid lumps. Add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and mix until all the ingredients are combined. Into a bowl we will add 120 grams of dark chocolate chips and we will add the mixture. This will give that crunchy texture we are looking for. I'm using aluminum molds to have a nice muffin shape, but I will also make a bigger version into an oven-safe bowl. We will fill only half of the molds, as the other half will be filled with cheesecake cream. Into an oven-safe bowl, we will first add some parchment paper, then we will again fill only half. Now for the cheesecake cream, I'm using 300 grams of cream cheese, which we will add in our mixing bowl. To this we will add 2 egg yolks and we will start mixing on a medium speed. After 2 minutes we will add 75 grams sugar and we will mix this on a high speed until it's completely incorporated, and then we will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let the mixer run for another 3 minutes, then we will add this composition to fill the other half of the molds and the oven-safe bowl. Don't add too much cheesecake cream, as they will raise when we will place them into the oven. I'm also adding some frozen raspberries, as I like the sweet and sour taste. Now we will put them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 14 minutes, and after that we will put them into a refrigerator for at least 3 hours. This is how my cheesecake brownie looks. And this is the one made in the oven-safe bowl. This is one of my favorite desserts. It's easy, simple and delicious. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Thank you guys, see you, bye!